Hey guys, what's going on? This is Patrick with Alpha Pack Off-Road. We're here in the shop looking at the newest project we have going on here. This is a 2006 Honda Foreman 500. It was brought to me by a buddy, and this thing has seen better days, apparently. I have it all stripped down and kind of went through. I've got a couple other videos that either probably be up by the time you see this, but I wanted to just kind of give y'all an update on what's going on with it. Finished putting the engine back into it. Had to do the top end. It was brought to me half complete. The bottom end was already done by somebody else. I don't know who did it, but it seemed to be good. So I have now put the engine back in. I got the header pipe on nice and tight with the new seal. I've kind of looked over the entire bike. It's definitely, like I said, seen better days. A lot of the clips and stuff are broke. Vent lines had dirt all in them. Frame was a little rusty, but it's definitely coming along. I've got the vent lines ran, redid all those because they literally had mud going all the way down them till about halfway. So I've got those ran. I'm about to loop them, put them in the pod, and get those knocked out of the way. I got the starter wire. I had to change that out. The other one was broken here. So I had another piece of wire. So I went ahead and put that in there. And any rust spots I hit with some paint. Any more I see, I'll also hit. Missing just a few things, but other than that, for the most part, everything is here. But yeah, man, this is coming along nicely. I have not yet. I'm waiting on the carburetor, so I haven't been able to try and crank it or do anything like that. I've done the valves lash, 0.15 millimeter, and on both exhaust and intake. What else? I just put oil in it. Diff fluid in the rear. I'm about to do diff fluid in the front. Put back got everything in here nice and tight and locked up. Whoa, I'm seeing some gear oil. That's not good. That's not good. We'll see what that's about. But hopefully no big deal. But anyway, just wanted to give y'all an update on what we had going on. I'm going to finish going through all the connectors, putting dielectric grease on. Yeah, and what else? I don't know. Anything else I can think of? Electrical, vents, engines in. Once the carb gets here, I do know that the air box is pretty jacked up, and the exhaust is very jacked up. Whoever did this, I don't know why they would have done this, but it may have had mud all in it, but they unriveted or cut it, did whatever they did to the HMF pipe. I don't know how I'm going to fix that. Either going to get a new one or put a stock exhaust back on it from some other bike. I don't know. But like I said, this box and all these, man, they have definitely seen better days. This thing is nasty. They use some kind of silicone on all that stuff, which is hard and nasty and just torn it up. This is not the way you snorkel a four-wheeler. Do not use this shit. This is crap. Ultra black. But clean up that air box. Make sure it's sealed back up good. If it's salvageable. And then I will get back to y'all whenever I throw everything back into it. And we'll give you an update then. But this is where we're at as of right now. So hopefully this bike, when I get the carb and battery all in it, it'll crank right up and run like a top. Otherwise, we're pretty screwed. But anyway, All right. So this is Patrick at the Alpha Pack shop, Alpha Pack Off-Road. If you would, hit that like and subscribe for notifications so that you can see how the progress comes on all our builds and what we have going on over here at our shop. Appreciate all y'all watching, and until next time, y'all take it easy.